Na 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 na, oh oh. Na 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 na, oh oh. Na 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 na, oh oh.
Oh god, he has a judge already! Oh, I got judged. Oh my
30 seconds left.
It's happening!
One button.
Guys, not gonna lie, I'm getting owned by Toast. I can't beat Toast! Just kill Toast for me. And I'm good. No! I knew it!
Sorry, we lined up.
I knew it!
No worries.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm so scared of Toast.
I know.
I was scared of him before,
It's-
but now
we
I'm
got
like
him.
terrified. I'm terrified.
The only
I got him! But we gotta figure out where the hell is Toast. What? 130? 130? Guys, I can't believe I killed Toast.
nothing can stop you now. Goodbye.
No, dude!
Bro.
You just can't beat it! Please, Michael,
Don't
you
even
need to
worry
kill
about
him.
it. Don't even worry
You
about
need
it.
to
Don't
kill
worry
him!
about it.
Oh, nice!
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 Toast is dead! Toast is dead!
Toast is dead! I repeat, Toast is dead!
Toast is dead? Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna face my fears.
Yeah,
I'm killing Toast, guys. I promise you.
Character development.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh.
June popped the fuck off, except for the kryptonite.
Dude, I'm gonna see how many times I actually died by Toast. I died 7 times to him. 7 times. I only killed him 3 times. Everyone else, I was positive. Dude, Toast is my
That's so
kryptonite.